How do you cite a dictionary in APA referencing? First, let's look at the in-text citation for a dictionary definition, then look at the full reference list entry. So, what do we need in our in-text citation if we're citing a dictionary? You'll need to cite the publishing organization in place of the author name, and then you'll need to use ND, the abbreviation for no date, in place of a date of publication. For example, to cite the entry for brouhaha in the Merriam-Webster Online Dictionary, we would need to cite Merriam-Webster as the author surname and ND for no date in place of the publication date. A brouhaha is defined as a hubbub or uproar. Merriam-Webster, ND. In the reference list, meanwhile, you'll need to include the name of the publisher in place of the author, ND in place of your year of publication, the word you're defining as the title of the source, the name of the dictionary in italics as a container volume, the retrieval date for when you last accessed the definition, and a link to the exact dictionary entry that you're citing. It looks like this: Merriam-Webster, ND, brouhaha in Merriam-Webster.com dictionary, retrieved February 2nd, 2023, from with our URL. What about if you happen to be referencing a print dictionary? Now, I'm sure you're thinking everybody's using online dictionaries these days, but let's make sure we've got your bases covered. For your in-text citation, you will again need the publisher's name in place of the author name, but you'll need to provide the specific publication date for the print dictionary that you're using. If you're quoting from the dictionary, you'll also need to use a page number. To cite the entry for citation from the 2008 edition of the Concise Oxford English Dictionary, you would need to use Oxford University Press as the publisher, 2008 for the year of publication, and then locate the exact page number to use in your citation. In this context, we are using the definition of a citation as a quotation from or reference to a book or author. Oxford University Press, 2008, page 260. In the reference list, meanwhile, you'll need to include the publisher's name in place of an author's name, the publication date, the word you're defining as the title of the source, the title of the dictionary in italics as the container volume, and the edition of the dictionary, if relevant, plus the page number of the entry, both of which should be given in brackets immediately after the title, like this: Oxford University Press, 2008, citation, in the Concise Oxford English Dictionary, 11th edition, page 260. There you go. Now you can easily handle citing a dictionary, whether online or in print, when you're working in APA. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the APA playlist on the channel, which covers all of the different facets of writing, referencing, and formatting in APA style. Your writing, proof.